Hey everyone, I'm Cherie, independent designer for Chalk Couture. Today I am doing the transfer, Enjoy the Journey. And here you see me marking the backs of all the transfers so I know what to put back with what and on the right side. This transfer is the May Club Couture transfer, which basically just means we get it as designers a month before they open it up to the public. So this should be available May 1st. It's got many layers to it, so it does take longer only because you have drying time in between. It's put together so well, though, it's easy to match up and do. It's a lot of fun. Now, Enjoy the Journey, this one, I did it in brick, but I didn't think it showed up very well, so I ended up taking that off and changing it, which is easy to do with the paste. And that's one of the benefits. So here I am doing the handlebars in the seat. See, everything just matches so good. Then I took a different transfer called Love Never Ends because I wanted the life, and then the is I took from Begins, the I and the S. Finished it up with the flowers and it's done. Thanks for coming.